9 Foods to Unclog Your Arteries Naturally. Atherosclerosis is a condition where the inner walls of your arteries can get damaged and become clogged up with a stiff material called plaque, which can make your blood vessels narrower, leading to a decrease in blood flow, putting you at a risk for a stroke, blood clots, or heart attack. Fortunately, there are ways to reduce this plaque buildup in your arteries, so today, we are discussing 9 foods that can clean your arteries, and we will also tell you some lifestyle changes you can make to avoid this plaque buildup in the first place. But before moving on, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any health concerns. Now back to the topic. The first food on our list is garlic. Garlic is beneficial in managing and potentially reducing the risk of atherosclerosis due to its various bioactive compounds like sulfur and allicin, which offer multiple heart protective effects. Garlic has been shown to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, and also lower high blood pressure, both of which are high risk factors for atherosclerosis. It also possesses amazing anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in your arteries, thereby reducing the risk of plaque formation. So you can start eating 1 clove of garlic, or incorporate it into your food recipes to reap its benefits. Number 8, fatty fish. Eating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines can significantly help protect your heart and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. The omega-3 fatty acids found in these fish work to lower triglyceride levels, which if too high, can contribute to the buildup of plaque in your arteries. Furthermore, omega-3s also reduce inflammation in your blood vessels and improve your cholesterol profile by increasing HDL cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from your bloodstream. Omega-3s further protect your heart by preventing blood clots from forming, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By regularly including fatty fish in your diet, you can take important steps toward keeping your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Number 7, avocados. Avocados are highly beneficial in preventing and managing atherosclerosis due to their rich content of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, antioxidants, and potassium. The monounsaturated fats in avocados work to lower harmful LDL cholesterol while boosting good cholesterol. Additionally, the high fiber content also lowers cholesterol by preventing its absorption into the digestive system. Furthermore, avocados are also packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids, which protect the arteries from oxidative damage and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key factor in plaque formation. And finally, the potassium in avocados helps keep your blood pressure in check, easing the strain on your arteries. Number 6, pomegranate. Pomegranates are not only a delicious treat, but they are also amazing for your heart health. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol like tannins and anthocyanins, which help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis. Pomegranates have also been shown to help lower blood pressure, which reduces the strain on the arterial walls, decreasing the likelihood of damage and plaque buildup. Furthermore, some studies suggest that pomegranates can directly inhibit the growth of atherosclerotic plaques, and even reduce the size of existing plaques, making them a valuable food for cardiovascular health. Number 5, whole grains. Incorporating whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat into your meals can be a powerful way to protect your heart and keep your arteries clear. Whole grains can help with weight management, as they are more filling and nutrient-dense compared to refined grains. They are also rich in soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and helps remove it from the body, reducing the amount of cholesterol that can be deposited in the arteries. They also have a low glycemic index compared to refined grains, which means they provide a slower and stable rise in sugar, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which are linked to the development of atherosclerosis. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil has been extensively studied for its benefits on heart health. It has been shown that people who consumed extra virgin olive oil as compared to normal vegetable oils had a lower risk for cardiovascular diseases. This is mainly due to the presence of oleic acid in olive oil, which reduces inflammation and improves endothelial function. In addition to this, it is also rich in vitamin E and polyphenol, both of which reduce oxidative stress in the body, resulting in overall improved health. But, it is also important to keep in mind that olive oil has a high calorie count. Only 1 tablespoon of it can contain around 119 calories, and overconsumption of it can lead to unintentional weight gain, so you should definitely practice moderation in its consumption. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Rich in vitamin C, citrus fruits provide strong antioxidant protection, helping to neutralize free radicals and preventing the oxidative stress that can lead to the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Additionally, citrus fruits are also packed with flavonoids like hesperidin and naringin, which have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in the blood vessels. Some of the best citrus fruits include oranges, lemons, lime, and grapefruits. By incorporating citrus fruits into your diet, you can help reduce cholesterol, protect your arteries, and lower your risk of atherosclerosis. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger can be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet, offering several benefits that help combat atherosclerosis. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects. It also possesses natural blood-thinning properties, which can help improve circulation and prevent blood clots from forming, thus keeping the arteries clear and reducing the risk of blockages that can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Furthermore, ginger can also aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and promoting satiety, which helps in maintaining a healthy weight, as obesity is a significant risk factor for atherosclerosis. So, effective weight management can reduce the likelihood of plaque buildup in the arteries. Number 1. Vitamin K2 rich foods. Vitamin K2 is one of the most important nutrients when it comes to unclogging the arteries and preventing any plaque buildup. You see, when you have clogged arteries, they become very stiff and rigid due to calcium buildup, but vitamin K2 activates a protein called MGP, which prevents calcium deposition into the arteries. Instead, it transfers it to the bones where it belongs. If you wish, you can take vitamin K2 supplements, or you can just eat natural foods like cheese, beef liver, egg yolk, natto, and chicken. Later in the video, we will tell you 6 things you can do to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, but first let us discuss some of the causes that make your arteries clogged up in the first place. The first and most common cause is eating too many refined foods like sugar, cereals, and white bread. Refined grains have a high glycemic index compared to whole grains, which means they cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, leading to a high risk of insulin resistance and inflammation, which can cause damage to the arterial walls, leading to them becoming clogged up. Another cause of arterial plaque is eating too many omega-6 vegetable oil, like corn, cottonseed, canola, and margarine. Drinking alcohol can cause damage to the liver and raise the estrogen levels in the body, which can weaken the arterial walls, making them susceptible to damage. And also smoking or vaping can damage the lining of the arteries, promote the buildup of fatty deposits, and accelerate the progression of atherosclerosis. It also decreases HDL cholesterol levels and increases blood pressure, further exacerbating the risk. Now let's discuss the 6 things you can do to improve your arterial health and prevent plaque buildup. 1. Cut out unhealthy refined grains like sugar, cereals, breads, pasta, biscuits, donuts, and sweets. Instead, eat whole grains which have a lower glycemic index and don't cause inflammation. 2. Eat plant-based foods that are rich in antioxidants like bell peppers, tomatoes, avocados, leafy green vegetables and citrus fruits, which help neutralize free radicals in the body and prevent oxidative stress. 3. Include some sort of physical activity into your life like a 30-minute exercise or walking for an hour, as lack of physical activity can contribute to obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and insulin resistance, all of which are risk factors for atherosclerosis. 4. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea every day improves endothelial function, which is vital for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Better endothelial function means the arteries can relax and dilate properly, reducing blood pressure and the risk of damage to the arterial walls. 5. After consulting a doctor, consider taking vitamin K2 and vitamin D supplements which can prevent calcium from building up in the arteries and instead transfer it to the bones, which makes your bones stronger and keeps your arteries healthy. 6. Lastly and most importantly, replace omega-6 rich oils like cottonseed, margarine or canola oil with extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, and eat foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids like wild-caught salmon and walnuts to reduce the risk of inflammation.